Use the grooving tool to mill in the ring shape. Use the drills tool to drill the diamond position. Use the mill tool to mill in the pattern. Use the engraving line tool to engraving line on the ring. Use the milling tool to mill in the pattern. Use the mirror tool to polish the ring surface. Use the milling tool to milling pattern on the surface. Use the cutting tool to cut off the ring. Again the process. Finished product display.